could stay like this, forever following you.
So firstly we're just adding 2 cups of quick oats, but feel free to use roll oats as well. And then we're adding a 1/4 cup of coconut oil that's been melted, and then 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup of chopped almonds, but feel free to use any other type of nuts that you like. Then we're adding a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and then give that a good stir. You're also going to want to add a pinch of sea salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we're just going to add that to a lined baking tray. I used baking paper. We want to spread the granola out nice and evenly on the baking tray. And then you're just going to want to tap that down so that the granola is nice and compact, so it will come out nice and crunchy. Now we're going to add the tray of granola into an oven that's been preheated at 160 degrees, and then we're going to bake this for 25 minutes until the granola is golden and crispy. Now we're just going to leave the granola to cool down on the bench top for half an hour. And then top your granola with some pepitas and sultanas. And then give that a good stir and break that up so you get nice crunchy pieces. For breakfast, I like to add this granola to some thawed frozen berries and coconut yogurt to have a really yummy breakfast bowl.